It's that time of year again. The air is buzzing with anticipation. The tech world holds its breath, waiting for the next big thing, Apple's big reveal. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Get ready to witness the unveiling of their latest creation. This year, the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade. It's not just a spec bump or a minor tweak, it's a statement. A bold declaration of where Apple sees the future of mobile technology heading. Apple's been unusually secretive, especially about the camera system. Whispers and rumors have been circulating, but the true extent of its capabilities has remained shrouded in mystery. They claim it'll challenge not just other phones, raising the bar for mobile photography across the board, but pro cameras. Can a smartphone truly compete with dedicated professional equipment? Apple seems to think so. So, what makes this iPhone special? What sets it apart from the competition and justifies the hype? Is it just specs, or a true leap forward? Are we looking at incremental improvements, or a genuine revolution in smartphone technology? We'll break down the design, examining every curve and contour, the silicon diving deep into the heart of the A18 chip, the software exploring the latest innovations in iOS, and of course that mysterious camera. We'll uncover its secrets and put it to the test. I've spent time with it, and there's a lot to unpack. I've pushed it to its limits, explored every nook and cranny. The experience is polished, refined, every interaction feels seamless and intuitive, and in some ways, totally unexpected. There are features here that will genuinely surprise and delight you. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just about speed or looks, it's not just about raw power or a stunning display, it's about being smarter, leveraging the power of AI to enhance every aspect of the user experience. More intuitive, making complex tasks feel effortless and natural, and seamlessly integrated into your life. It's designed to be a companion, an assistant, an extension of yourself. Apple's vision hardware and software so intertwined, working in perfect harmony to deliver an unparalleled experience. You forget the tech and just live. The technology fades into the background, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. At the heart of it all, what is the single most defining feature of this new iPhone? A camera that promises to capture not just what you see, but to elevate your photography to new heights. But what you feel, to capture the essence of a moment, the emotion behind the image. Let's dive in, because the details are worth it. Every aspect of this phone has been meticulously crafted and deserves a closer look. Welcome to a new era for iPhone, an era of innovation, integration, and unparalleled user experience. Let's start with design. The very first thing you'll notice about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. A molecular bond of titanium alloy and ceramic shield glass. This fusion creates a device that's incredibly strong and remarkably beautiful. The seamless integration of these materials is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and quality. The result? A seamless, unibody feel that's both lighter and more durable. You'll immediately notice the difference in weight and how it feels in your hand. It's a phone that's built to last without sacrificing any of its premium feel. The bezels are nearly gone, maximizing the screen real estate for a truly immersive viewing experience. Thanks to Cascade Edge display tech, making the screen feel like it's floating. This innovative design not only looks stunning but also enhances the way you interact with your phone. ProMotion now hits 144 Hz, delivering incredibly smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Every swipe, every animation feels fluid and natural. But it's the immersive, borderless display that stands out. It draws you in, making everything you watch and play more engaging. The edges are subtly contoured for comfort, ensuring a secure and pleasant grip, even during extended use. A perfect balance between flat and rounded. This thoughtful design element contributes to the overall ergonomics of the phone, making it a joy to hold and use. The action button is larger and textured for easy access, allowing you to quickly launch your favorite features with a simple press. Apple's new color palette is sophisticated, liquid carbon, lunar silver, and celestial bronze, all with a matte, fingerprint-resistant finish. This ensures that your phone always looks its best, no matter how often you use it. Every detail is meticulously refined for both look and feel. From the placement of the buttons to the curvature of the edges, everything has been carefully considered. This isn't just a phone, it's industrial art. A statement piece that reflects your personal style and appreciation for quality craftsmanship. The iPhone 17 Pro Max design is a masterclass in precision. Every line, every curve, is perfectly executed. It's familiar, yet elevated to a whole new level. It takes everything you love about the iPhone and refines it to create something truly exceptional. Powering it all is the A19 Bionic chip, built on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer process. The CPU is faster, but the real leap is in the GPU and neural engine, designed for next-gen AI. Games run at 144 frames per second, and 4K video editing is instant. The 32-core neural engine enables predictive, proactive AI, what Apple calls cognitive computing. The phone learns your habits, preloads apps, and creates cinematic edits automatically, all on-device for privacy. Proactive intelligence means your iPhone anticipates your needs before you ask. Despite all this power, efficiency is unmatched, thanks to the advanced architecture and power management. The result: top-tier performance with battery life to match. The A19 Bionic sets a new standard for mobile chips. It's the brain behind everything the iPhone 17 Pro Max can do. With all this power, what about battery life? The iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers a massive leap up to 2 days for the average user. That's thanks to a bigger battery, the efficient A19 Bionic, and smarter power management. Even with heavy use, battery drain is impressively steady. MagSafe Pro debuts with bi-directional charging. Top up your AirPods or another device right on the back of your phone. Over-the-air charging lets you trickle charge from a base station, no cables needed. It's not about fast charging, but about convenience. Charging becomes something you barely think about. The combination of battery life and charging tech changes how you use your phone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max makes battery anxiety a thing of the past. It's freedom redefined. iOS 19, powered by the A19 Bionic, is all about intelligence. Siri is now proactive, understanding context, creating workflows, and handling complex requests, all on device for privacy. Live actions are smarter. Dynamic Island shows live navigation overlays, transcribes calls, and adapts to your needs. The home and lock screens are AI-powered, curating layouts and generating art that changes with your day. These aren't just cosmetic tweaks, they make your phone feel personal and alive. iOS 19 transforms the iPhone from a tool into a true companion. It learns, adapts, and anticipates, making every interaction smarter. This is the smartest iPhone experience yet. Now let's delve into the camera, arguably the most significant and secretive upgrade of all the new features. We've been anticipating this, and it's finally here, ready to redefine what's possible with mobile photography. The triple lens system is completely redesigned from the ground up. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a total overhaul, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone camera can achieve. Every component has been meticulously engineered, starting with the new main lens. Then we have the enhanced ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, each contributing to a versatile and powerful imaging system. The main lens boasts a significantly larger sensor, capturing more light and detail than ever before. It also features a faster aperture, allowing for even better performance in challenging lighting conditions. This combination results in stunning low-light shots with incredible clarity and detail, as well as a naturally beautiful depth of field. The bokeh is smooth and pleasing, creating professional-looking portraits. The ultra-wide lens now features autofocus, a game-changer for capturing sharp and detailed wide-angle shots. And it also unlocks the ability to take incredible macro photos, revealing details you never thought possible. The ultra-wide delivers edge-to-edge sharpness, ensuring every part of your image is crisp and clear. Advanced algorithms minimize distortion, keeping lines straight and perspectives natural. And the telephoto lens introduces a revolutionary variable periscope lens, a feat of engineering that allows for unprecedented zoom capabilities. This innovative design enables continuous optical zoom, ranging from 3x all the way up to an impressive 10x magnification. And the best part? It's all optical, meaning you get true, lossless zoom with no digital degradation of image quality. Image stabilization is absolutely top-notch, keeping your shots steady and smooth, even when you're zoomed in all the way. Say goodbye to blurry zoomed-in photos and shaky videos. But the incredible hardware is just the starting point. The true magic lies in the software and processing power behind it all. The A19 Bionic's neural engine is the brain behind cinematic AI video, a suite of powerful computational photography features. This allows for real-time focus pulls, mimicking the techniques used by professional filmmakers to create dramatic and engaging videos. It also provides advanced video stabilization, ensuring your footage is always smooth and steady, and enables mood-based color grading, allowing you to instantly apply cinematic color palettes to your videos. With all these features combined, It's like having a professional film crew right there in your pocket ready to capture stunning videos at a moment's notice. This new camera system is far more than just an incremental upgrade. It represents a fundamental shift in what's possible with mobile photography. It's a completely new vision for mobile photography, empowering you to capture stunning images and videos with ease and creativity. Every single shot, every single video, feels truly cinematic and undeniably professional, blurring the lines between smartphone photography and high-end filmmaking. This is the groundbreaking camera technology that Apple has been subtly hinting at for years, and it's finally here, exceeding all expectations. But there's still one more number, one final specification that changes absolutely everything we thought we knew about mobile photography. The megapixel race is back because Apple's finally cracked the code. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a custom 108 megapixel main sensor. Advanced quad-pixel binning delivers incredible low-light performance and massive resolution when you need it. Crop and print huge or capture every detail. This camera redefines what's possible on a phone. It's not just about bigger numbers, it's about creative freedom and pro-level results in your pocket. Combined with the new design, a 19 Bionic 2-day battery and iOS 19, this is the most complete iPhone ever. The camera is the star, but the whole package sets a new industry bar. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a leap forward, maybe the biggest yet. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. This is the future of mobile photography. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max.